Let's have some fun with one of these fancy new AI recommendation engines. So this is by a company called Catches, and they're working with a luxury brand. And I was just curious as to this is newly launched, and I was curious about how this would work for me. So this is obviously a luxury brand intended for a younger audience and a much more thin audience. So let's play around and see what this actually looks like and feels like for me as a consumer. So let's click on there's about me. So I have actually entered a few things here. I put in my height, my weight, my gender, um, my age, my ethnicity, and then I uploaded a photo of myself, which is pretty funny. I uploaded, let's see if I can get it to even get close to my age. I'll try another one. This is a dated photo of me, but it seems to insist. So I also put some additional measurements for chest, inseam, waist, etc. So let me double check that. Yeah, it's not what I put in, but what's funny is the first thing it does is takes 20 years off my face. It can't, it doesn't seem to want to show a mature person. You'll notice that the size, it won't give me basically any of these sizes will not work for me. So you can see what they put down here, like the arms and chest will fit, but the back's gonna have significant excess fabric. This looks like a clown suit, right? So 40 seems to be the right one, but it still has a lot of excess fabric on the back. And yet I can't go any lower because it says this size won't fit your measurements. So basically I just took, 5 minutes extra to realize that this brand will not fit me, or certainly not this product. So let's go back to the catches page. So I'm going to try a different one. So bright blazers are very unforgiving. Let's try a camp shirt, which might fit me better. Mhm. Let's try that. Try on me. It doesn't seem to understand my gender right off the bat, even though I saved my profile. Let me go back and adjust my profile to double check that it knows who I am and everything about me. So height, I'm 5'5". That's correct. Female. Next. Age 60. Photo. Okay, so it should. Let me double check these measurements here. Test. Nope, that is not correct. It doesn't seem to retain any of my prior measurements. Keeps trying to perfect me. Nope, I'm not that perfect. And inseam is probably more like a 20. Let's go 20, 28. All right, try this again. All right, so let's see what this shirt looks like on me. It does say chest and hip fit well, though back has significant excess fabric. The standard fit moves with you and provides generous hip cover. Once again, I'm 20 years younger and look nothing like myself. This is ginormous. Let me try medium to see if that's going to be any better. This one says that the it's really not changing the fit of it much. Oh, and now I'm smiling. That's funny. And still not great. This is very unflattering. The challenge with these things is like, well, when you start putting these on real bodies, it looks a lot like what you might get if you were to try it on in the store. So this is now a small. It says chest and hip fit well, though back has. This is exactly the same information as it's been giving me all along. So I don't know that they've really gone in and generated the type of response that you might expect.